We go, ladies and gentlemen, 3 rounds. This in the UFC welterweight division. Fighting out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, here is the Dirty Bird, coming to Rancho, but with our boys and Mateo Sandoval passing away in January, it was even more of a want and need, if you will. You know, dedicated the fight to my community and to the family. Sandoval Strong and Mr. Armendez was involved in the wreck, and Ernie and Lexi Sandoval, the boys' mom and dad, our football team. So. And just with that being said, with emotions riding high and aggression, I couldn't be more happy to have a fist fight inside Saturday night. I'm going to defend my family and my state violently.